Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your TikTok For You page or FYP. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in now. Let's just open up TikTok, and you can see at the very top center is both a following and a For You tab. So For You, basically what it is TikTok algorithm deciding what it thinks that you want to see based on who you follow, what videos you've liked, how long you've watched them, if you've shared them, commented on them. All that stuff gives TikTok an idea of which kind of content you like. But you can reset that For You page by doing a few different steps, and I'll walk you through those. So the very first thing that you want to do is tap on the search icon at the top right here. And at the very top, it will show you all of your recent searches. Now you just want to tap that little X button right next to them to remove all of those past searches. So that doesn't influence your For You page and helps reset it. Now, once you've done that, let's go back and let's tap on our profile icon at the bottom right here, and then the three lines at the top right, and settings and privacy. Now, we'll do a couple of different things in here. We'll scroll down and we'll tap the Clear Cache button. This will clear a lot of the old cache on the app, and it will help to reset that For You page. The next thing that you can do is if you scroll up a little bit, you'll see Watch History. So we'll tap on Watch History. And what you can do here at the very top right set, there's the little gear icon. You can tap on that and hit Clear History. So this will clear all of your history of videos that you've watched on TikTok, and it will help to reset that For You page because all of those videos won't be influencing the FYP. So let's go back again and go back again. And now let's go home. Now I can refresh this and your For You page should be reset at this point. However, there could be some things that are lingering that are influencing what videos you do and don't see. One of the really important cool things that TikTok includes is the ability to tell the algorithm that you don't like a certain video. And you can do that by tapping and holding on the video and then hitting Not Interested right here. And at the very top, it says we'll show fewer of those videos going forward. Basically, it tells the algorithm that you didn't like that type of video. Now, if you tap and hold, you can see right next to Not Interested, it says More. I can tap that, and you can give the option to hide a specific user or hide specific sounds in this video. Or you can just generically say, I'm not interested in this. So that's how you kind of tell the algorithm that you don't like something. The way that you tell it that you do like something is to heart a video. You could heart a certain video, and it will tell the algorithm to show more of that type of content. Or you could always at the top right search for a specific video. So say I want to add in Hawaii again as videos that it would show me, and then I can go to some of these videos of Hawaii. And if I watch a few of these, it will immediately tell the algorithm, hey, this user likes to watch TikTok videos of Hawaii, so let's show them more of that. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.